Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I want to show you how to download and install ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence AI chatbot developed by OpenAI. It was launched in November 2022 and quickly became a global phenomenon. It understands the general human-like text base on each prompt you give it. You can ask it question, get explanation, write emails, brainstorm idea, create code, translate languages, and much more. It uses a large language model that has been trained on vast amount of data. It can hold natural conversations, remember context within a session, and handles complex tasks. The free version uses GPT 3.5 or GPT 4.0 depending on your plan, while the paid version ChatGPT Plus offer advanced features like internet browsing, image generation, file uploads, and access to more powerful tools. It is available as a web app, as mobile app for iOS and Android. So we're going to install this app. Depending on the device you want to use, I want us to use Android. This is Android phone. So basically you need to go to Play Store, go to apps and search ChatGPT. Select on it. ChatGPT, OpenAI, 4.7 stars, 48 million reviews, 1 billion plus downloads. Then select install. And also you need to make sure you have enough space to install this app on your mobile phone. Only download from official App Store or Google Play Store. Many fake AI apps mimic ChatGPT to steal data or charge hidden fees. So always check the developer name, just like we did to show you OpenAI. And also when opening the app, it may ask permission for microphone access, for voice input or notification. You can grant this later. They are not compulsory or mandatory to start chatting. So the app is installing. So once the app is installed, I want to show you how to sign in, to create an account, and also we can give a prompt and get the app to give us an answer. App is installed. Select open. Then it will show you welcome to ChatGPT. This official app is free. Sync your history across devices and bring your latest model improvements from OpenAI. ChatGPT can be inaccurate. ChatGPT may provide inaccurate information about people, places, or facts. Don't share sensitive information. Chats may be reviewed for safety and abuse prevention. By continuing, you agree to terms and conditions. Then you sign in, continue with Google, or sign in or sign up. You can also continue without logging in, for example. But to get deeper information and stuff like that, so I will encourage you to sign in. And once you sign in, you can select continue without logging in. For example, get advice, summarize tests, make a plan, help me with write. So you can give a prompt or ask ChatGPT information or question. Then, for example, let's say currently we are in a World Cup. You can ask ChatGPT, how is the World Cup going? And I am interested to know the scores or progress of USA team and England. Then you select this blue arrow to submit. So it's going to search. So it's now searching for the information to give you the answer. This is the information we received. The 2026 FIFA World Cup has been moved into round of 32. So the knockout stage is now underway. Yesterday, Canada became the first team to reach round 16 with a 1-0 over South Africa. And today's schedule features Brazil versus Japan, Germany versus Paraguay, and Netherlands versus Morocco. For the teams you are following, England and USA. So England is going to play DR Congo on July 1st at 5 p.m. So USA is playing Bosnia and Herzegovina on July 2nd at 1 a.m. in the night. England national team won Group L and has advanced to the knockout stage. Their next match is against DR Congo national football team on July 1st. England finished the group stage with 2-0 victory over Panama with goals from Jude Bellingham and Harry Kane. United States men's national team also reached round 32 after topping Group D. Their next match is against Bosnia and Herzegovina national team on 2nd July UK time. The US impressed in the group stage with 4-1 win over Paraguay and 2-0 victory over Australia and aiming for its first knockout win since 2002. Both England and USA are still in the tournament, but from this point onwards, every match is a single elimination, win and advance, lose and go home. Then I'll ask you, I can also show you the full knockout brackets, giving you today's live score or compare England and USA path to the final. So this is kind of a good example of the prompt you can give to ChatGPT and it will give you answer. And from this, pretty much all the information is accurate. Double check the information and also it will give you source. So this is source. Sometimes if you select on the source, it will give you where the information is from. And you can see this source also, you have source where the information, you can also query it. And also this one is from New York Post. Log in and sign in. And also you can sign in with Google. You can also use mic, but you need to give access if you want to use mic to ask questions. If you select on the mic, then it will ask you to sign in, sign up, or log in to use voice. So you can use voice. So if you can use voice, if you select on the voice, sign up or log in to use voice, agree to terms and conditions. So this is how to install and use ChatGPT on mobile phone. Thank you very much indeed.